Hi, this is Dr. Manning here. I'm with Scott, and he is following up 6 weeks after a procedure for his shoulder, and he's had a really good outcome, so I'd like him to share a testimonial today. Scott, what was your shoulder pain like, and how did that happen when we first met about 7 weeks ago?
I don't know if I ever had a 10 before, but this was as close as I think I've ever been. The pain was debilitating. I wasn't able to move, I wasn't able to sleep, I wasn't able to function normally throughout my day. And so it was pretty significant.
Yeah, I remember that, and I remember being a little bit concerned due to the severity that some of it might be coming from your neck and not the shoulder. But we did a in-office ultrasound scan of your shoulder that day, and we found some calcium in your rotator cuff tendon. We decided that we would treat that. Can you tell me a little bit more about the procedure and your experience with the procedure?
The procedure was one of the easiest procedures I've been to. I've had other issues with joints before. This had required a lot more than what we did here. But it was simple, it was easy, it was informative, it fixed the problem. It wasn't, what I was the most impressed with was through the diagnostic phase and to the treatment phase, it was spot on, and I went home and literally felt relief the same day.
Well, great. So here we are 6 weeks after the procedure, and we did a calcific tendonitis aspiration and lavage under ultrasound guidance, and we pretty well took care and got rid of all the calcium. How is your function and your pain level now?
I have no pain level at all, and function is there's no limited range of motion or anything. I'm back to where I was before this all had started.
Great. Well, we're really happy for you with that. Overall, would you say you've had a good experience here at RestorePDX?
I will tell you without any question that from the front desk to the procedures to everybody who's involved to today, your staff is professional, it's welcoming, they're just great people, and my experience has been amazing.
Well, great. Well, thank you for the testimonial today, and it's been a pleasure working with you.
Thank you.